Hey beautiful beings, have you ever looked at a perfectly ripe fruit and thought, that's glowing? Well, it's not just in your head. Fruits are little miracles of nature packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and all the good stuff that can make our skin radiate youthfulness from within. Want to maintain that youthful glow and reduce signs of aging naturally? You know I'm all about that natural glow. These 10 anti-aging fruits can do wonders for your skin. We're talking about real visible results just from adding a little more deliciousness to your plate. Keep watching to discover which fruits you should add to your diet for radiant, youthful skin. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Let's start with a classic, the humble apple. Remember what they say? An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it might just keep those wrinkles at bay too. Apples are like little treasure chests of vitamins A and C, potent antioxidants that shield your skin from the aging effects of environmental damage. But that's not all. Apples are also bursting with water, which plumps up the skin from the inside out. Think of it like this: hydrated skin equals happy, youthful-looking skin, and who doesn't want that? Now here's a little DIY beauty tip for you. Have you ever tried apple cider vinegar as a toner? Don't worry, I'm not suggesting you douse your face in straight vinegar. Dilute a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water and use it after cleansing to balance your skin's pH and reveal a gorgeous, natural glow. Your skin will feel so refreshed and revitalized, you'll wonder why you didn't try this sooner. Next up, we have the ultimate summer fruit watermelon. This juicy treat is like a tall glass of water for your skin. Seriously, it's over 90% water, which means it's incredibly hydrating. And we all know that hydration is key for plump, youthful-looking skin. But watermelon isn't just about hydration, it's also packed with vitamins A, C, and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from sun damage. Talk about a summer skin savior. Now let's talk about how to incorporate watermelon into your skincare routine. You can easily find watermelon-infused face mists and masks that will give your skin a refreshing boost. Or if you're feeling adventurous, you can even make your own DIY watermelon mask at home. Just blend some watermelon chunks until smooth, apply it to your face, and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. Your skin will feel so cool, soothed, and oh so hydrated. It's like a mini spa treatment in the comfort of your own home. Let's raise a glass, or a handful, to grapes, the tiny fruits with major anti-aging power. These little gems are packed with resveratrol, an antioxidant that's like the superhero of the skincare world. Resveratrol is known to help slow down the aging process by protecting your skin from the damaging effects of free radicals. Think of free radicals as those pesky little things that contribute to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Resveratrol swoops in to neutralize them, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. But the benefits of grapes don't stop there. They're also a great source of vitamin C and K, which help to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark circles. And let's not forget about grapeseed oil, a lightweight moisturizer that's perfect for all skin types. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to stock up on grapes. Your skin will thank you. Chapter 4, Strawberries, Nature's Little Exfoliators. Strawberries. They're not just delicious, they're also little powerhouses of skincare goodness. These juicy red berries are bursting with alpha-hydroxy acids, or AHAs, which are natural exfoliators. What does that mean for your skin? Well, AHAs gently remove dead skin cells, revealing the brighter, smoother skin underneath. It's like a mini facial in every bite. But the benefits of strawberries don't stop there. They're also packed with vitamin C, which helps to brighten the skin and fade hyperpigmentation. And if you're struggling with acne scars, strawberries can help with that too. The AHAs in strawberries can help to minimize the appearance of scars, giving you a more even-toned complexion. So go ahead, indulge in a bowl of strawberries. Your skin will thank you for it. Chapter 5. Oranges, your daily dose of vitamin C oranges. They're juicy, they're refreshing, and they're amazing for your skin. These citrusy fruits are packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that's essential for collagen production. Collagen is what keeps our skin looking plump, firm, and youthful. As we age, our collagen production naturally slows down, which is why incorporating vitamin C into our skincare routine is so important. But that's not all that vitamin C can do. It's also a powerful brightening agent that can help to fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and acne scars. It can even help to protect your skin from sun damage. Talk about a multitasking skincare ingredient. And if you want to take your orange-infused skincare routine to the next level, try adding a few drops of orange essential oil to your moisturizer or face oil. The uplifting scent will invigorate your senses while the vitamin C works its magic on your skin. Chapter 6. Kiwi, the Collagen-Boosting Wonder. Let's talk about kiwi, the little green fruit with a big secret. It's a collagen-boosting wonder. That's right, this tangy fruit is packed with vitamin C even more than oranges, gram for gram. And we already know that vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps our skin looking firm, smooth, and youthful. But kiwi's benefits don't stop there. It's also a good source of vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that helps to protect your skin from environmental damage. And if you're struggling with acne, kiwi can help with that too. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe redness and reduce breakouts. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up some kiwi. Your skin will thank you for it. Chapter 7. Papaya. It's not just a delicious tropical fruit, it's also a natural glow-getter. This vibrant fruit is rich in an enzyme called papain, which acts as a gentle exfoliator. Papain helps to remove dead skin cells, revealing the brighter, smoother skin underneath. It's like a mini enzyme peel, but without the harsh chemicals. But papaya's benefits don't stop there. It's also packed with vitamins A, C, and E, a powerful trio of antioxidants that protect your skin from environmental damage. And if you're struggling with hyperpigmentation or acne scars, papaya can help with that too. The enzymes and vitamins in papaya can help to fade dark spots and even out skin tone. So go ahead, indulge in a papaya smoothie bowl or a DIY papaya face mask. Your skin will love you for it. Chapter 8. Avocado. It's the darling of the health food world, and for good reason. This creamy fruit, yes, it's a fruit, is packed with healthy fats that are incredibly moisturizing for the skin. We're talking about deep, lasting hydration that will leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and oh so smooth. But avocado isn't just about hydration, it's also a good source of vitamins A, D, and E, which help to protect your skin from environmental damage and premature aging. And if you're struggling with eczema or psoriasis, avocado oil can be a lifesaver. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help to soothe irritated skin and reduce redness and itching. So go ahead, add some avocado to your salad, your toast, or your skincare routine. Your skin will thank you for it. Chapter 9. Don't let their small size fool you. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that are mighty protectors of your skin. These little blue gems are especially rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that gives blueberries their vibrant color and helps to protect your skin from free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to premature aging, so having a defense system against them is crucial for maintaining a youthful complexion. But the benefits of blueberries don't stop there. They're also a good source of vitamins C and E, which further contribute to their skin-protecting and anti-aging properties. Incorporating blueberries into your diet can help to improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and give your skin a healthy, radiant glow. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to stock up on blueberries. Your skin will thank you for it. Chapter 10. Last but not least, we have pomegranate, a true antioxidant powerhouse. This exotic fruit is packed with polyphenols, a type of antioxidant that helps to protect your skin from free radical damage and UV radiation. Pomegranates are particularly rich in a polyphenol called ellagic acid, which has been shown to inhibit the breakdown of collagen, keeping your skin firm and youthful. But the benefits of pomegranates don't stop there. They're also a good source of vitamin C, which further contributes to their skin brightening and anti-aging properties. Incorporating pomegranate into your diet can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, even out skin tone, and give your skin a healthy, radiant glow. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious snack, reach for a pomegranate. Your skin will thank you for it. And there you have it, my beautiful friends, 10 amazing anti-aging fruits that can work wonders for your skin. Remember, true beauty starts from within, and nourishing your body with these nutrient-rich fruits is one of the best things you can do for your skin. By adding these anti-aging fruits to your diet and skincare routine, you can achieve naturally youthful and radiant skin. So go ahead, indulge in nature's bounty and let your inner glow shine through. Don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more beauty and skincare tips. I love sharing these natural beauty secrets with you, and I can't wait to connect with you again in my next video.